afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 25. And the instructions, yes, simply says that we should look for the option that best interprets the sentence or the given sentence. And the given sentence here says, when the result was announced, it was discovered that Bimbo and Pam were neck and neck. This means that Bimbo and Pam dash. So option A says had almost the same result. B, fared badly. C, had equal results. D, passed well. So now we say neck and neck. This is metaphor. Neck and neck. So for Bimbo, who is a person, and Pam, who is another person, or two friends, to be at neck to neck. Neck and neck means equal. The neck, that is the position of the neck of this person, is also equal to the position of neck of this person, which is equal. Then is that say discover that Bimbo and Pam were neck and neck. It means that they are the same. You know, when you have two friends who claim tall or who are claiming tallness, then they will now stand beside each other. The other person will take a standing position, and the other person will take another standing position, and they will now look at their heights. So by the time they look at their height, by the time they now find out that they are of equal, then if you now look at the position of their neck as well, it will also be at equal position or equal stage. That is the same or equal. So it simply means that when the result was announced, it was discovered that Bimbo and Pam had equal results. If the result of Bimbo is good, it means that the result of Pam will also be good. If the result of Bimbo, who is of equal neck with Pam, is bad, then consciously or unconsciously, directly or indirectly, means that the result of Pam is also bad. So they had equal results. So either good or bad, but it's of equal result or sameness in there's sameness in their result. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.